Well guys, this is one way to get a quick brood break in the middle to the end of July. July the 22nd. Probably about a 3-pound swarm. Just going to sit here and let them walk in on some extracted comb and a brood comb there. And obviously not wearing any protection in July. I would say it would be one of those hives right over there that swarmed, because I sold a queen out of there about, I don't know, 18 days ago. They'll slowly march off the branch, slowly march into the hive. What little bit's left, I'll shake into the box, close it up, and take it to an outyard, because seeing that I walked out and did not see them in the air and do not know how long they've been here, I could open them up, put them in a box here, and come back out an hour later and they're gone. If I take them to an outyard, it's 3 miles away. They're just gonna come out the box and go, where are we? And speak of the devil, right there she is. Hope you saw that. She is a buckfast. If I hadn't been wanting to show you that, I would have caught her. That's it. Guys, have a great day. A little bit of sugar water and a frame of honey, and these girls will be just fine. Hit that like, subscribe, share them if you like them.